The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I made.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you another plus size try on haul. This is going to be a short but sweet Dia & Co plus size try on video. So welcome to the channel. If you are new, my name is Nora. I do all things plus size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Those are just the things that I love to talk about. Sometimes I do sit down chit chat videos, but usually I like to show you guys different plus size styles, different plus size items, beauty products, and if that's something that interests you, feel free to subscribe and so you can keep up when I post a new video. I typically upload once or twice a week, depending on how everything is going in my life. Right now, I want to apologize in advance if I sound kind of raspy. I have a bit of a cough. My son has COVID and I might, most likely I have it as well. I just retested because I tested negative, but I have all of the same symptoms as him. So right now he is doing good. He's sleeping. So I figured I would just take this chance to just get on here and get this video up for you guys. I'm doing okay. I have a bit of a cough, but nothing too extreme right now. My worst symptoms were a couple days ago, so I'm hoping we just get better. I hope you guys are having a good week, and I have a few pieces that Dia & Co were kind enough to send to me, and so thank you to Dia & Co for sending these pieces out. As usual, I will link everything down below. If you are not familiar with Dia & Co, Dia & Co is, they have, it's a website. They have plus size fashion, and they also have available the option of getting like a monthly style box where a stylist can pick out pieces for you depending on your preferences. So like when you sign up, they have like a monthly, quarterly subscription service where you can pick out, like, you know, you can mark down what your sizes are, what styles you love, and they will curate a box for you. Or you can shop directly on the site for pieces that you might like. So they have two different options. I've been working with them for a while now, and before I started working with them, I used to shop with them all the time because I just love their pieces. Are, I would have to say, one of the best quality as far as plus size fashion goes. It's not fast fashion, it's good quality pieces that are going to last. So that is what I love about Dia & Co, and they offer that flexibility that you can just get a style box or you could just pick directly on the site. They're always coming out with new styles and I just love them. So I do probably have a discount code for you guys, but I will link it down below because I don't know it off the top of my head. But I will link it down below if there is a coupon code for this month. And yeah, I'll link everything for you guys. So the first piece that I have is this gorgeous dress. I typically don't wear maxi dresses that much, but it is gonna be summer and spring and I wanted something pretty. If you're not familiar, if you're not following me from a while, you know that I love all things, you know, I love floral prints, but this is not a floral. But I do love like very feminine dresses and just like pretty styles. So I decided to get a maxi dress. This is a beautiful dress by Mary Sky. I have all the tags on everything because I just got this package in today. So I was like, let me just get on here. It is a smocked top. So there is a ton, I'm talking about, you guys, I'm sorry with this lighting. My lighting is still acting up. There's a ton of stretch in this, and it is all the way down to your ankles. Let me scoot back. Hopefully you guys can see. It has buttons all the way down and pockets. It has pockets, you guys. So it's a beautiful little dress for spring or summer. I got this one in a 3X. Typically with Dia & Co, most 3X dresses and 3X tops fit me pretty well. So they're very true to size compared to like other brands. Dia & Co has to be one of the most true to size that I like to wear. So, okay. So this is the first dress and I love it, and I'm so sorry about this lighting. Every time I lift something up, I turn yellow. If you guys want to tell me how to avoid that, because I don't know what it is I'm doing, that every time I lift an item up, you know, I turn yellow. You see that? the struggle. Okay, I'm using an iPhone to film, so if anybody has any tips, let me know. So that is the first dress, which I absolutely love. The second item is this gorgeous little floral print. It's flowers, yeah. It's a little black tank top, and it's not a tank top, but it's a top. It is a 3X by Socialite Curve. And Dia & Co, they work with different brands, so you're gonna see different brands in your items, different tags. But it's all through Dia & Co. This is gorgeous. This is so pretty. I was like, this is perfect. It's very stretchy, very, very, very soft. And it has like kind of like a cinched, it has like an elastic bottom here that's very stretchy. And then it's like, it cinches in the like waist hip area so that it's a nice little fit. It's so pretty. I just thought it was such a delicate, pretty top. It has like a wrap on the bottom right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's like a wrap style top. It's not a wrap top, but it's a wrap style. And I just thought it was so beautiful to wear with a pair of jeans, or even like, you could wear this with like a little black skirt. I have it with a pair of jeans that I got because I love to wear jeans. So I was like, I need more tops. I have so many dresses. I just need to like stock up on more tops. But, all right. So, oops, I'm dropping things. Okay. So the next item obviously is a pair of jeans because I needed a new pair of jeans. Dia & Co has the best jeans. I'm talking about hands down, my favorite pair of jeans is from Dia & Co. First. Second, I would have to say probably Forever 21 and Torrid, but Dia & Co quality of their skinny jeans is so good, so good. Okay, so this one, the trick is these. I don't know about a lot of the other ones. They have different styles, but the one that I love so much is the Molly and Isadora Leroy skinny jean. So I got this one in a size 24. These jeans are super stretchy. I have this jean in dark color and I have them in light color. I have like 3 pairs of these already. They're super stretchy. It's a beautiful pair of jeans. The quality of these jeans, you guys, I am not even like joking. It is excellent. If you are looking for a really good quality pair that will last, this is the jean that you need in your life. This is my favorite pair of jeans, hands down. I have them in dark wash. I like the dark wash too, but these blue ones, I figured it would look really, really cute with this top. So that's what I'm going to be trying it on with. I just thought it was a cute little spring outfit. And you can dress that up or down. You can wear it with like some like sneakers or sandals or even like a pair of heels for a night out. I just thought it was super cute. Those jeans are worth every penny. The quality is just excellent. So I'll link those down below. And last but not least, I have this gorgeous little dress. This is a different style of dress for me, but I wanted to try it. They had new spring styles and this is one of their new ones. This one is the Mary and Sky. Yeah, that's all it says. It's by Mary and Sky. It's a 3X, very true to size. It also has smocking. This right here, the stretchy on the chest area is smock. So this material is very, very in style right now. You see it everywhere. Like you see it in every dress, every outfit. And look at the bottom. It has a ruffle. It's cream and white. I don't typically wear beige dresses, but I wanted to try something new. I had the one, it also came in black, but the black one, I put it in my cart and I waited too long to order it. So by the time I was gonna order it, it was already out of stock. So I was so mad because I love the black one, but it also has a bit of a ruffle sleeve here. You can see that right here. It goes, I believe this dress will go past my knees, but I feel like this is gonna be very true to size, very stretchy, super soft, and it's just like a perfect little spring dress. I feel like this would look good with some like beige, this cream colored wedges. I feel like that would be such a cute little outfit, and maybe like a beige purse or a little beige little bag. I don't know, it would look so cute for spring. So I'm in love with all of these pieces, you guys. This is such a good little haul. So thank you to Dia & Co for sending this out. Sometimes with your box though, you would get a little card. Mine doesn't have it, but you would get a little card that shows you how you can style these pieces. Like the stylist will give you some tips on what to pair the items with or how to pair them up with each other and stuff like that. So then this is just kind of like the invoice that shows the order basically, and yours will have like the pricing on it and everything. Mine's a little different. But yes, I wanted to go ahead and share this with you guys. So let me go ahead and try these items on. Let me know what you guys think. If you like these pieces, let me know if you've tried Dia & Co. I will go ahead and link everything down below for you guys if you want to try it out. And yes, thank you so much for watching. And I should have another video up within the next, hopefully within the next week. I'm waiting on another package from another brand, and actually 2 brands. So this has been a really good month. I've gotten like a lot of collabs. I'm super grateful. Growing my channel slowly, but I am getting a lot of more collaborations. So I'm really happy about that and very grateful, and grateful to you guys because I couldn't have been where I'm getting to without you. So thank you so much for watching, and let me go ahead and try these on. And yeah, so let me know which one you guys like the most and what other brands you want to see me try. And yeah, let's go ahead and try this on.
Every time that my mind slips, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of town. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you. All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I watched it down, obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? But what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't